প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা সকলে দেখো আমরা এখন এক্সাম্পল করব কিছু, কারণ রুলস তোমরা যা শিখেছো এক্সাম্পল যত বেশি প্র্যাকটিস করতে পারবে তত বেশি তোমরা শিখতে পারবে। প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা দেখো আজকে আমরা অ্যাসার্টিভ সেন্টেন্সের বেশ কিছু রুল, বেশ কিছু এক্সাম্পল কমপ্লিট করব, অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। সো মাই ডিয়ার অল স্টুডেন্টস, in our previous classes already I have discussed all rules of sentence narration, and we have completed what is the change of reporting verb, what is the change of comma, inverted comma, change of tense, person, change of some definite word. Already we have discussed, already we have completed that. So now let's go to solve example, and this is very important now. So my dear student, look at the board. Already I have written some example, and from this I will solve some sentence and I will give you some homework, and you have to do in your house. Okay, so please see. Shuman said to Badal, I shall go to school tomorrow. Shuman said to Badal, I shall go to school tomorrow. First of all, you have to identify what kind of sentence it is. What kind of sentence it is, first of all you have to identify. This is first thing to you. So we know this is reporting verb and this is reported speech, and first thing is you have to identify what kind of sentence it is. I shall go to school tomorrow. So please think about this. We know sentence is 5 kind. So this is what kind of sentence, and we think this is assertive sentence because this is a simple sentence. There is no question mark, there is no exclamation mark, there is no request, order, there is no phrase. So this is assertive. So I shall go to school tomorrow, this is assertive. Now you have to change with rules of assertive. So দেখো said to, আমরা said to এর পরিবর্তে জানি assertive এর মধ্যে কি বসে, told বসে। আমরা বসাবো সুমন, said to এর পরিবর্তে আমরা told লিখবো, সুমন told, বাদল। এরপর আমরা কমার পরিবর্তে কি দেব, আমরা জানি assertive এর মধ্যে কমার পরিবর্তে that বসে, আমরা এখানে that বসাবো। এরপর হচ্ছে পার্সনের পরিবর্তন। তোমরা দেখো আই, আমরা পার্সনের পরিবর্তন তোমাদেরকে শিখিয়েছিলাম আই উই, অর্থাৎ ফার্স্ট পার্সন পরিবর্তন হবে রিপোর্টিং ভার্বের সাবজেক্ট অনুসারে। ফার্স্ট পার্সন পরিবর্তন হবে রিপোর্টিং ভার্বের সাবজেক্ট অনুসারে। তাহলে ফার্স্ট পার্সনকে আমরা পরিবর্তন করব রিপোর্টিং ভার্বের সাবজেক্ট। সাবজেক্ট কি আছে, সুমন। তাহলে সুমন হচ্ছে একটা পুরুষ, তার পরিবর্তে আমরা হি বসাবো। যদি মহিলা হয় আমরা সি বসাবো, পুরুষ হলে হি বসাবো। তাহলে আইয়ের পরিবর্তে আমরা কি বসালাম, হি। আশা করি তোমরা বুঝতে পেরেছো হিটা কেন হয়েছে। হি হয়েছে আই পরিবর্তন হবে সাবজেক্ট অনুসারে, এর জন্য সমানের পরিবর্তে আমরা হি বসালাম। এরপর দেখো শ্যাল, আমরা তোমাদেরকে টেন্সের পরিবর্তনের ভিতরে শিখিয়েছিলাম শ্যালের পরিবর্তে কি হবে, শুড। শুড, তারপর এগুলো বসে যাবে গো টু স্কুল। টুমোরো থেকে কি হবে, দ্য নেক্সট ডে। আই হোপ ইউ নো দিস। So this is complete. So Shuman told Badal that he should go to school the next day. Okay, next example. Look here. Shuman said to me, I want to do this work. Shuman said to me, I want to do this work. First of all, you have to think also what kind of sentence it is. So we see here, this is assertive sentence. This is assertive sentence. I want to do this work. So instead of said to, you have to use told. Shuman told me. Instead of comma, you have to use that. This is the rule. That. And then you have to change person. Here we see here I. That means this is first person. And first person you have to change with subject of reporting verb. Subject of reporting verb we see here Shuman. This is also a person. So we have to use he. He. And then you have to change tense, and here we see want is present tense, that's why you have to change it in past tense. So want, wanted, this is the past tense of want, wanted is the past tense. And then to do, here is one definite word, this we know. Instead of this you have to use that. That one. So this is completed also. Shuman told me that he wanted to do that work. Okay, I hope you understand. So look at the next example. Ali said to Rahim, I am going abroad tomorrow. Also, you have to identify what kind of sentence it is. My dear student, please tell me. And I hope you understand this is an assertive sentence. So, as like this, you have to change it. So now look here. Instead of said to, you have to use told. Ali told Rahim. Instead of comma, you have to use that, and then you have to change person. Here is I, that means this is past person. Past person you have to change. You have to change with the subject of reporting verb Ali. This is also person. That's why you have to use he, that he. And here is now you have to change tense and am. Instead of am, you have to use was or were. So this is singular. That's why we use was. He was going abroad tomorrow. This is also a definite word. We have to use instead of tomorrow, the next day. We know that. So this is completed. So I hope you understand. Ali told Rahim that he was going abroad the next day. And now look at the next example. Karim said to Sapir, you are wrong. Karim said to Sapir, you are wrong. So first of all, you have to identify what kind of sentence it is. I hope you understand. This is also an assertive sentence. So now change it. Instead of said to, you have to use told. Karim told Sabir. And instead of comma, you have to use that. Instead of you, you know you is second person, and you have to change second person object of reporting verb, and there is Sabir. This is also a person, that's why you have to use he. He, and instead of are, you have to use past tense was. He was wrong. So I hope you understand. Karim told Sabir that he was wrong. Already I have discussed about 4 examples, and I am trying to understand you. So I hope you understand. If you don't understand, you should call me or you should comment in our comment books. I will try to explain it. So please, and next. So my dear students, I have written 3 examples for you. This is your homework. So you have to solve it in your house. You see here, Iba said, I am reading. He said to me, we went to college yesterday. Karim said to me, I have come today. This is homework for you. I hope you understood my lecture and you should solve it in your house. This is very essential for you to practice. Without practice, you can't learn narration. So my dear student, in my today's class, I just discussed about all example of assertive sentence, and this is your homework. I hope, I expect from you, you will solve this, inshallah. Okay, my dear students, my today's class I want to finish. Till then, be happy all time. Inshallah, see you again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.